What's up guys, and OnePlus is planning for a huge surprise for you all. There are 3 new OnePlus phones coming really soon, and by really soon I mean just next month. Okay, so we already know about the OnePlus 7, we have seen the renders and real life images for the same. Now in this video we are talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro, cause this one is gonna be best of the best. This one you should wait for. It is coming with the curved screen with the tagline "Go Beyond Speed." Now the idea behind OnePlus 7 versus OnePlus 7 Pro is just allowing users to choose between a flat screen versus the curved screen. It's just like Samsung made the S6 and the S6 Edge years back, and actually curved screen looks really gorgeous but is fragile. So this is your first look to the OnePlus 7 Pro, and this is pretty legit cause the naming is confirmed by Ishan. He has an amazing record of leaks, so it's happening right now. Now the interesting part is we also have the about section of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I know it shows the OnePlus 16 image, but this is still in development. They haven't made the official renders for the 7 or 7 Pro, so they are just using the 60 as reference image. Nothing wrong in that. You are getting a 6.67 inches super optic panel. You will see an amazing refresh rate, so that's something nice. There's Snapdragon 855, the flagship level SoC, 8 gigs of RAM, along with 256 gigs of internal storage. Now I think there's gonna be a 10 gigs of RAM model also. We also have the camera specifications, and I think the camera setup is gonna be same like the OnePlus 7. There's 48 plus 16 plus 8 megapixel cameras, and one of them is gonna be a wide angle lens, that I think. So yeah, this is all about the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now according to Ishan, OnePlus is also working on the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G variant, and this thing will differ in terms of the model number. So basically 3 new OnePlus phones arriving just next month, that's May 2019. And do note that you are seeing the pop-up selfie shooter mechanism at least in the OnePlus 7 and the 7 Pro. Let me know which one would you choose, the OnePlus 7 with flat screen or the OnePlus 7 Pro with curved super optic panel. Thanks for watching, I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.